Hello friend, today in this video we will learn about wild animals. Lion, this is lion. Tiger, this is tiger. Deer, this is deer. Zebra, this is zebra. Rhinoceros, this is rhinoceros. Fox, this is fox. Elephant, this is elephant. Cheetah, this is cheetah. Bear, this is bear. Jackal, this is jackal. Giraffe, this is giraffe. Kangaroo, this is kangaroo. Chimpanzee, this is chimpanzee. Panda, this is panda. Jaguar, this is jaguar. Koala, this is koala. Bison, this is bison. Gorilla, this is gorilla. Wild boar, this is wild boar. Ostrich, this is ostrich. Wolf, this is wolf. Polar bear, this is polar bear. Wildebeest, this is wildebeest. Crocodile, this is crocodile. Hyena, this is hyena. Nilgai, this is nilgai. Capybara, this is capybara. Porcupine, this is porcupine. Aardvark, this is aardvark. Mongoose, this is mongoose. Tapir, this is tapir. Raccoon, this is raccoon. Hippopotamus, this is hippopotamus. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel